Okay. Yeah, there will be a doubt session for you guys. Do not worry, attend that. I don't know why majority of you are having issue with when to exit. When I calculated and showed it to you plus 0.4 percentage minus 0.4 percentage, what do you think it was? Guys, I'm asking you, who's that who asked about the target? When to exit? Nitish, what was that which I taught you, like plus 0.4 plus minus 0.4? What do you think it was? I'm asking you guys. Am I not audible clearly? Trigger price will not accept 0.4. That's why I showed it in the calculator as well, right? You should type that in calculator, 0.4 percentage. When I showed it very clearly, I asked you guys to take the screenshots as well. You took it very lightly, and more than 70 people messaged me regarding that. So I have made a video on how to place the target, how to place the stop loss and all. Today or maximum tomorrow, we will be uploading it in Mentescraft YouTube channel. Okay, you can watch that. Platinum December. Exception case of EM is you should not trade in flat. See, if it is a big candle, you should understand that it's going to give less target, right? So first thing is it should not be a range bound. That's the major thing. And crossover point is the straight point, right? No need to explain that. Okay, let's begin with the session. Hope everybody knows me, right? I don't think so. I need to give my introduction again and again, right? Okay. So Platinum and Platinum Plus members, concentrate this very, very much, and others as well. Okay. Okay. Let me show you that. Let's take some pharma. Hope everybody is able to see. Click on buy. MIS, more option, cover order. Trigger price, it should be in multiples of 0.05. Can't you understand that? Okay, price will be fluctuating. I understand. 439.85. It will not fluctuate like 445, 435, right? It will be fluctuating in 20, 30 points only. 0.2, 20, 30 paisa only, not more than that. So what's the issue in calculating that? If you keep trigger price beyond 3%, it will not accept. Clear? Okay. Let's begin. So today, Prajwal, you did not see the Telegram channel? Okay. I won't be clarifying any doubts regarding EMA here. Okay, because this session will take time. It's a derivatives basics, so it will take time. So yeah, let's begin with the session rather spending time on others. Okay. See, EMA is a strategy which is quite complicated. It will take time for you to understand. That's why I asked you guys to note down the points. Okay. We will keep a doubt session. You can clarify it there. Or you can attend the EMA session again. Okay. Right. Now let's begin with the session. So today I'm going to teach you about derivatives basics. Okay. See, there are 4 segments of trading in the world. The first one is equity, second one is commodity, third one is derivative, and fourth one is forex. That we have something Okay. Now, when I type normal Sun Pharma, you're able to see I got a stock which is saying Sun Pharma, right? So this is having certain movement which is shown here. Okay, it is having the worst movement today. Okay, it's fine. Similarly, we have something called Sun Pharma JANFUT. Okay, futures are nothing but the contracts. Futures are nothing but the contracts. See, no matter what kind of contract it be, it will have to expire. Correct? Contract has to break or contract has to expire. It has a validity, right? So future contracts are also having the validity which are mentioned here. See, Sun Pharma is the equity name, right? FUT is the future contract and JAN is the January month. Next, Sun Pharma is the equity, February is the month, future is the contract. Okay. Now, the first one, let's see what is the difference between all. January future. Let's go with February future. Let's go with March future. So we have three futures here. So you can see the contract of Sun Pharma is of January future is 442. Next February is 443.75 and March future is 446.30. Correct? So each of the contracts are higher than the previous one from the equity stock. Understood? Am I clear? Here, buying this January future contract means you are making a contract that you will buy Sun Pharma. You will buy Sun Pharma when it comes to 442.10. Okay. So you bought a contract that you will buy Sun Pharma when it comes to 442.10. Okay. So when Sun Pharma comes to 442.10, your contract price will be increasing to 446, right? Or 444. That time you will be making profit. So let's see. The same movement will be there for Sun Pharma future as well. Okay. Same movement. Excuse me. Okay. See, Sun Pharma fell from 1332 to 1350, right? See, the same Sun Pharma fell from 1332 to 1350. Similar kind. Okay. The completely everything will be same. Even on futures, you can use exponential moving average strategy. You can use 3 EMA strategy here as well. Okay. Am I clear? Hardik Garg, from where I should repeat? You want me to start everything from beginning? Yeah. So when you ask me to repeat, tell me from specifically where to repeat. Okay. Okay. Validity is nothing but see, every contract will have the validity. So that is mentioned in the contract here. Jan FUT means January future. So this contract will expire in the month of January. Now in the month of January, we need a specific day or date, right? So every month, last Thursday will be the expiry. Every month, last Thursday will be the expiry. Okay, so last Thursday in January is January 30, right? January 30 will be the expiry day for this January future. So until then you can trade. Okay, until then you can trade. After that you cannot trade. You cannot see that contract at all. Okay. Next, February contract will be open where you can trade. Okay. So when Jan future expires, April future will be introduced. Correct. So every 3 months future will be open. Clear? So now what is the difference? See, for everyone, we have told in the beginning itself, every day session will be at 7 p.m. If there is no session, we will inform it priorly, right? So, which batch you are in, Darshan? Darshan, which batch you are in? Platinum December 2. So, Platinum December 2 marathon sessions are going, right? So, this is different. This session is different. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we can see up to 3 months contract. Saurabh, audio problem is from your side, not from my side. I am sitting in a very high speed internet connectivity. So everybody is answering properly, right? So check with your internet once. Okay. It is similar to equity only, no need to worry about that. So just the futures. Now let's see the difference. When I click on buy of Sun Pharma, what is the quantity it is showing by default? What is the quantity it is showing by default? Right? Now when I click on Sun Pharma January future, the default quantity is 1250, right? So that means Sun Pharma future, January future should be bought in lot size. You cannot buy one or two contracts. You have to buy 1250 shares contract at a time. Okay. So you have to buy. No, you can see if you take MIS, it will square off that day itself. Okay. If you take MIS, it will square off on that day itself. If you take it as at NRML, you can hold it up to last Thursday. Okay. Perfect. Let's move further. Understood about futures? Now let's go to margin calculator Zerodha and see what is the leverage provided for futures. So in the segment, see guys, like I told you the other day, you should go to bracket order and cover order. If you prefer MIS, you will get intraday. If you don't go for MIS, you won't get intraday. That's it. So in this segment, bracket and order, you should go with NFO. You should go with NFO. The products are two types, futures and options. We are going with futures. Okay. Let's see which one we were going with. Sun Pharma 30th January, right? So the price is 439. 439 point. How much it was? 85, right? 85. Stop loss, let's make it as 437 and click on buy. How much is the leverage provided here? 27.8 times. So do we have to buy future in multiples of lot size or anything? No, multiples of lot size only. It should be in multiples of lot size only. 1250, next will be 2500, similar to that. Okay. So 27.8 times is the leverage provided by Zerodha for F&O trades. Okay. Yeah. Calculate the price of lot. 1250 into 439.85. So that will give you around 5,49,813. So you can trade that volume with just 19,794 rupees only. Understood? Saif Ansari. So that is the difference between futures and the normal contracts. Okay. NFO, futures and options. Futures and options. No, you cannot hold. See, Bopalan Prabharan, tell me what is the advantage of intraday over delivery? What are the advantages of intraday over delivery? Leverage and short sell, right? Then how can you hold with the leverage? How much is the investment? How much was here? 19,794 was the investment here, right? Yeah, high risk of profit and high risk of loss and high probability of profit as well. Both will be there. Okay. Same as equity. See, 1250 quantities at one time. If it is going up by 1 rupee, you will make 1250 profit. Correct? Yeah, even you can go for short sell. That is also fine in futures. You can go for short sell as well. No, you are just buying the contract. The moment of contract will give you the price, Roshan. So Roshan is asking, when I buy March future at 447 rupees, it means I get the stock at that time, it reached that specified price. No, it's not like that. You are making a trade that you will buy at that price. You are buying the contract. You are not literally buying the stock here. Okay. Stock movement will be same. Yes. Why you told chart will be same? Because chart will be same. That's why I told that. Yeah, you can short sell with the same investment. See, let's make the stop loss as 441 and go for short sell and go for calculate. Nothing changes, right? Same thing. If the price has not reached it, that is fine. You can sell it in the middle itself. If it reaches to 444, you can directly sell, no problem. Yeah, everything remains same, 0.4 percentage. Yes. See, if you pick the current month, it will have a good volume and volatility. This is buying and selling of contracts. Yes, exactly. How will we know whether to buy or sell? So that is why we are explaining you the strategy, right? How it is different from normal equity. The lot size, the main lot size and the movement. Sir, explain about this contract, sir. I am explaining that from beginning, right? What to explain? Tell me. It's just a contract. It's similar to buy and sell. What will you do with the theory? When you go with buy and sell, it will happen. You should buy it in lot sizes only. Okay. You can use 3 MS strategy here. No, leverage will be given only in Yamma. Yes. Okay. So this is all about options. Why don't I keep stop loss at 0.2 percentage? Because the strategy we have designed, it gives that ratio itself. You cannot do something which you want. Okay. You should go with the technicals. What technical indicators are telling, you should go with that. How to pick, I repeated, so make sure you are listening. You should go with the current month itself. Which month you are in, you should go with that. Okay, perfect. When to buy, when to sell is the strategy. Why are we teaching the strategy? To buy and sell only, right? When the strategy shows buy, you should go for buy. When strategy shows sell, you should go for sell. Okay, right. Now let's go with options. Let's go with options. Okay, now options is quite complicated. Okay, options are quite complicated. It's like insurance to your Vivek. I don't think so you are getting it. For one lot of Sun Pharma you need 5,49,000. Can't you understand why I am showing the screen? Can't you see? If you can invest 5,49,000, you can hold it, no problem. Come on guys, use some of your common sense. Why are you going so dumb? Okay, have a presence of mind here. Understand? See, many guys are asking, so only difference is leverage and lot size. Yes, did I explain anything other than that? You are matured enough now. You are into money making process. You need to understand these things. When I'm explaining from basics everything clearly, I understand you get the doubts. Have genuine doubts. Okay, when we reach our target we will automatically exit. No, you won't exit automatically. So wait for one day. All your doubts about what do you say, placing the orders, buying and selling, exiting, everything will be shown to you. Okay, today only I have recorded the video. Tomorrow you will be getting it. Right, now let's go to options. See, options is nothing but like a insurance premium for a 80K bike. Okay, for a 80,000 rupees bike, how much will be the insurance for 1 year going with the first party? 2K or 3K, right? Yes, it will be around, yeah, 1500 to 3K. It ranges 1500 to 3K, right? Similarly, Sun Pharma stock price is at 439.85. Okay, guys, I'm very much afraid to explain this to you because you are not getting the minimum point. Options is most complicated thing in trading. I don't know how you will get it. See, I'll explain it only 2 times. If you don't understand, I'm not going to help you. Okay, simple thing I'll be explaining. Don't get confused. Clear? Simplest thing I'm going to explain. Don't get confused. Okay. So options are of two types. Options are of two types. Put and call. Okay. Options are of two types. That is put and call. Okay. Let me share the white screen so that you can clearly understand. See, call option. Okay. Now let's go with call option. That is also known as CE. Call European. Okay. Call European. See this. If stock goes up, if stock goes up, okay, CE also goes up. Okay. If stock goes up, CE also goes up. Clear? It means understood. If stock comes down, CE will also come down. Clear? I'll show you how it actually works. Understand this concept. Next will be put option, that is PE. Okay. Here, if the stock comes down, okay, or stock falls, okay, then PE will go up. Understood? If your strategy is telling that stock will go up, if your strategy is telling that stock will go up, you will buy call option. Okay. If your strategy says that the stock will go up, you will buy call option. If the strategy says that the stock will fall, if the strategy says that the stock will fall, you will go with put option. Okay. Now let's see that in the live chart. Okay. Don't ask anything. I'll explain everything. Okay. Don't ask anything. Sun Pharma. Okay. 440 CE. 440 PE. Guys, look at this. Okay. What happened, Saurabh? What happened in futures? It's nothing but stock with a lot size. That's it. Nothing is there in futures. What you did not understand, tell me. When I'm explaining slowly, if you can't get this much, then stock market is not your cup of tea. Literally, go and search anywhere in the industry of stock market in India. Nobody will explain you with this pace. Okay. I'll tell you how to select, how to go. I'll tell you. I'll tell everything. Don't ask anything. I'll just tell everything. Let's go from right side. Let's go from right side. Now we know what is Sun Pharma and what is January, correct? We know what is Sun Pharma, what is Jan here, correct? Now let's see what happens with CE. Okay, see guys, from 1335 stock fell down, right? From 1335 stock fell down, correct? Now let's see it's CE. What should happen to CE? What should happen to CE? It's fine, it's fine. Exactly. No. It should fall. Okay. It should fall. See, 1330. At what price it was? At what price it was? 1330, right? It was at 15 rupees and it came down to 13 rupees, right? It came down to 13 rupees. Yes. So when stock was falling and its respect to CE was falling, see here, 1330, right? Almost 1330. So its PE was at 11 rupees and it went up to 12 rupees 46 paisa. So when PE was stock was falling, its PE was going up, correct? Exactly. When stock falls, CE will fall and PE will go up. When stock goes up, CE will go up, PE will come down. Understood? Understood this much? Okay, good. Now, what is the price of Sun Pharma now? 439.85. Okay. So, which is the nearest number? Let's say, don't see, even 440 is 435 is also nearest number, right? Sun Pharma 435 is also near number, but 435 is not there. Either we need to select 430 or 440, right? Or 450. Okay. Exactly. CE directly related and PE inversely related. Very good. Very good. No, you cannot get it in multiples of 1, 2, and 3. Okay. You should get with multiples of 10 only. So this particular 450 is called strike price. Okay. So it will be in multiples of 10. Clear? Am I clear to this? It will be in multiples of 10 only. Perfect. Good. Now 440 be right. So this is called strike price. 440 is called strike price. The nearest strike price you should choose. If it is near to 433, you should go with 430. Okay, you should go with 430. If it is 437 or something, you can go with 440 itself. Okay, right. It's clear till this. So one lot of Sun Pharma can be bought in how many rupees? 13.65 into 1250. Okay, it will be around 19,000 only. What will be in multiples of, yeah, stock price, the strike price I'm talking about, not stock price, the strike price. See, the first one is stock name, second is expiry month, next 440 is called strike price, and next is type of option. Okay, perfect. Understood this much? Yeah. 13.65 is called premium. Okay, 13.65 is the price of Sun Pharma January 440 CE option. Okay, for this particular option the price is 13.65 rupees. Okay, it is also called as premium. Right? Yeah, now I will correct Mithun XLR's question. So in all the cases you should buy options, you should never sell option. Okay, let's see why. You should never go for short selling of an option. What is the premium? 13.65, right? And the strike price was 440. Okay, see, okay, now they're providing leverage, I think. Good. So leverage provided is very, very less and you will have infinite losses. So never go for short selling of an option. Okay, always go for buying of an option. Clear? Always go for buying of an option. Never go for, yeah, never go for short sell. Okay. Am I clear? Now, there is some good twist here. So it's advised to go for only buy in option. Yes, it is advised to only go for buying. Now, Nifty Bank is a index, right? For Bank Nifty. So what is the price of Bank Nifty now? 32,092, right? So in Bank Nifty, you should go with multiples of 100. Now let's type Bank Nifty. Okay, 32,100 can be taken. But here you can see January, 9th January, 16th January, 23rd January is available, correct? That means, see, what are 9, 16, 23rd? Those are Thursdays of every week, right? Those are Thursdays of this month. All these are Thursdays, yes. So this is called weekly expiry. This is called weekly expiry. You can choose the current week expiry date, okay? So today, 9th January, PE and CE got expired, okay? Next will be 16th and this one, okay? Next is 23rd. So similarly, you should go with the current expiry itself. Okay, let's see. So 9th January, let's go with 32,100 Bank Nifty 9th January P. Okay, understood? So today as it was expiry, so it came down to 0.05. Got that? Am I clear? You are buying the option itself. You are buying the premium of an option. Options are nothing but the premium. It's like insurance for a stock. So you are buying insurance for the stock. Okay. Sir, can we use? No, OI data chart, don't use it initially. When to choose to buy C versus P? What you were doing when I was telling so slowly. When the stock is go, when your strategy says stock will go up, you should go for C. When your strategy says stock will come down, you should go for P. Yes, it is a stupid question. How it acts as an insurance? It's SEBI's matter. No, it will not expire on 0.05 every time because you can see the lower one has expired at 8.55, right? In your platinum membership, okay? As a begin, it's not good to go with latest expiry. No, it is good to go with latest expiry only. Okay, so no leverage will be provided here, or very less leverage will be provided. So you can directly go with cash and carry here. Okay, that is normal. Do not use EMA for CE and PE. Do not use that. No, you don't get watch list on futures and options. No, it is very risky to trade in options and futures, so we don't provide that. Clear? Am I clear till this? So, see, these are called index options. Bank Nifty, Nifty are called index options. Okay. So, note down this. Index option have the expiry on every Thursday. Okay. Index options will have expiries on every Thursday. Stock options will have expiries on last Thursday of every month. Okay. Stock options will have expiry on last Thursday of every month. No, you should not avoid derivatives entirely. As a beginner, first get perfect with equity. Okay. Once you get to hold on equity, then you can move to derivatives. Okay. See, Bank Nifty, Nifty, these are called indices. Okay. Index options will have the expiry on every Thursday. And stock options will have expiry on last Thursday of every month. Got that? One second, guys. No, you can go with stock option segments as well. No problem. Okay, no issues. What are the indices available? There is a website called nscindia.com. You can go to that, you will get it. Okay, nscindia.com. I'll be posting it here. Okay, so you can go to this nscindia.com. You can get all the list of indices there. I rarely trade on F&O. Advantages of okay, options. You are getting it at 8 rupees only, right? 8 into 20. So Bank Nifty will have a lot size of 20. So 8 into 20, you will get it at 160 rupees only. If it moves up by 10 rupees, you will make 200 rupees profit, right? So that's the advantage as well as the disadvantage. Okay. Examples of stock option. Till now, I showed something called Sun Pharma there, right? Amit. That was example of stock option. Yes. Price and investment are low. Nifty is 75. Yes. High risk, high profit. Exactly. Clear? Margin is the amount required to trade. I rarely trade in futures and options. I don't regularly trade on them. You do get leverage, but very, very less. No, there is never a chance to lose more than margin. Remove that from your mind. No segment will have low risk and high profit. It will never come like that. Understand it. Yeah, no, nothing to continue. Everything is done. Only doubts are remaining. Lot size in Bank Nifty is 20. What is the risky part? Simple. At 50 rupees, you are buying 100 lots. If it is coming down to zero, you lose all your capital. Yeah, you can use 3 EMA in futures. If you want to master EMA, then start learning it. Yes, you should get perfect with equities first, then only get on hands with derivatives. Clear? Why EMA doesn't work? It doesn't work. Why I cannot give you the reasons for those questions. Yeah, if you use stop loss in options, it's really good. Futures expiry will be last Thursday of every month. Be it index, be it stock. Okay. No, you don't. We don't teach selling of an option. Yeah, lot size for different stock will be different. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I hope no doubts related to futures and options, right? Okay. So Muhammad Rafi, if one guy is asking the same question, why can't you attend that answer? Now you cannot buy Bank Nifty 9 January 32,100 because it's expired today. You cannot buy it.